Good job, guys. George has soap suds on his hair. Whoop. That's fine. Yeah, you guys go together. Don't cross him, don't cross him. Good job. Yeah, but I'd rather you guys don't cross each other.
Ready? No, I'm not ready.
George, straight mo yung ano mo. Uh-oh. Kuya, you'll crash into him. Okay, good.
That's the victory splash. When we splash through the water.
That means you made it.
We need some more.
Anak, straight mo yung skateboard mo para hindi yan. Very good. Para hindi kayo magko-cross ni Kuya.
When that snow comes, it's going to be so awesome.
Yeah.
Ready?
You be careful, baby.
Go.
Straight, my neck, straight. Come on, humor me. Do a face plant.
You want to do something wacky?
It better be. Yeah, I don't want you to do that. George, he said, I can do that. And I said, yeah, I don't want you to do that because you might do a face plant. You know you can maneuver that skateboard, George. If you want to turn right, you lean to the right. If you want to turn left.
Only with mine. Because did the more stance. Dad was saying that's probably why it was so cheap.
Oh. That's weird. That's weird that they would make a skateboard like that you can't maneuver. Yeah, you can turn that one, George. Just the old one. The other one.
George, you want to know a trick? George, you want to know a trick with that one? If you point it this way, it always leans that way. So you point it that way and it'll lean that way and you'll go straight. George, let me show you. Come over here. Ready? Ready, George? Set. Go. I'm gonna go splash down Electric Avenue. And splash, splash. Look at I can do. I can practice. I can practice it.
You can practice, yeah, but you have to be careful. I don't want you to scratch your face. like the booty shake.
Hey, Hannah.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
George, be careful with doing that. See, George, you should probably just slide.
Yeah, just slide for now. When you're bigger, George. Oh, you're just practicing, okay. Yeah, for now you just sit on the skateboard and roll down.
Get back here.
I can patch it.
Good, good.
Yeah, I'm patching it today.
Don't crash on George. Woo!
Ready, George? Let's go.
He's trying to practice in this one here. I like the booty shake.
You see that?
Yes, I saw that. Whoa. Tata just finished washing the two vehicles. And I thought you guys wanted to help Tata. I know, you're just playing now. Good job. Keep your balance. Keep your center, George.
Did we ever download my pictures from the coast?
Yes.
We're going to need to do some work tonight.
Yeah. I can do the drawing. Have you made a draft of the drawing yet?
I've got two other things we need to do. I need to do an estimate for grade stallings, which won't take long. I've got it wrote
Come
up.
back.
Okay.
I'll need to do the estimate for this project, and then I'll do a rough drawing.
Oh, hi.
Okay.
Hi, George.
We'll do that.
Where are you going?
Come on, George.
Whoops.
Want to race?
Get up. Don't get up right away, George. It's fine. You're fine. You'll take a bath after this anyway. Good job.
That's my skateboard.
Whoops.
Boy, honey, I'd fire that car wash mechanic.
I know, I can still see dust right here, right there.